Hey everybody, welcome back. Chef Brian here from Gooder Cooking Show, Mari-Mann Herbs. You're not going to believe it. I'm roaming around Aldi's. Oops, stop. Come on. I got some real terrible hate mail the other day. Make sure we say hello to the camera daddy. Oh, hello camera daddy.
What else do we do other than shop at Aldi's? Because there's not much else.
Sleep. I'm old. Hey! So I'm walking around Aldi's the other day, and I happened to look on the shelves, and I saw this, and I'm like, what? Truffle and porcini mushroom macaroni. I'm like, shut up. We can do something with this. So what do I got going on here? So what do I got? In my skillet, I got a hot skillet. I've got some fresh vegetables. A little bit of melted butter. Just a little simple in there. Right? Just going to get it in there, start getting some fire on it, get those vegetables tossed around. It's nice and hot. Read the box. Believe it or not, I do read instructions. You pour in the pasta stuff. We're going to pour it in on top of our vegetables and a little bit of the butter that we put in there. We're going to add in a couple cups of water, and we're going to bring this to a full all-out rolling boil. And then what is going to happen is your pasta is going to cook, your vegetables are going to break down and soften. They're going to season the pasta. The pasta is going to absorb its flavor. It's got a little bit of fat in there for some flavor. So you got some fun stuff going on right here. So you would say, well, what else could I put in there, Chef? What about a little bit of Italian sausage? What about more vegetables? What about some grilled portobello mushroom? What about some smoked asparagus? Some kind of fun cheeses, right? You can have all kinds of fun with this and make this up, cook this up. I've got everything going on here in one skillet. And you can already start to see that sauce is coming together. Now, but it's going to be good. And it's got vegetables in there, and that's all going to be great. But you know what? We here at the Gooder Cooking Show and Mari-Mann Herbs, we got to get the gooder in there. So we're going to hit it with a shot of gooder, just to give it a little bit of love, right? Why not? So I've been tinkering with this. So in nature, there's a few things that help to make your food taste better. And I know that Liz adores, desires, and enjoys on so many levels making the spoon herbal and the lemon thyme jelly. I've got an idea for us to help bring the natural flavors out of our foods even more using an item from off of the shelves at Mari-Mann Herbs. And also, too, we're not going to add in a whole lot of extra fats. Now, we'll probably be a little bit of sugar, but you know what? We can live with that. But instead of adding in a whole lot of butter into it and all kinds of cheese and everything, we're going to take a little bit of lemon thyme jelly. Just a little bit, not even probably a little bit more than a teaspoon. And we're going to drop that in there, and we're going to cook that in. So what's going to happen? The lemon's going to cook through there, and the lemon is going to explode with flavors and bring out the natural flavors of everything else that's in there. So it's cooking around, it's got the truffles in there, it's got the porcini mushrooms in there, it's got some gooder in there, it's got some vegetables in there. Chef, I don't like vegetables, so don't put vegetables into it. Whatever you want to do. But this is just some ideas for some simple, quick, fun items that you can find off the shelves at Aldi's, that instead of eating fast food and junkola, that you're eating some really, really, really simple, great foods. That's all we're trying to bring to you here at Mari-Mann Herbs and the Gooder Cooking Show. So I was like, so what could we even do to take this to another level? So I've got a new one for you, debuting right here, right now. Number 4 of the spoon herbal sauces. This one's got pesto in it. We're going to add just about a tablespoon of the pesto spoon herbal marinara, and all that's going to do is help richen and deepen and make that flavor even that much gooder. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if you can see that here in the beautiful video, but that sauce is reducing down. It's thickening up. The noodles are coming together. The vegetables are getting nice and soft. Everything is there. The tomatoes have broke down. That is beautiful. Let me show you what we're going to have here. We're going to take this. We're going to bring it right over here. And ladies and gentlemen, look at what you're going to have. Inside of 5 or 6 minutes, in a little bit of a boiling pot, you're going to have a porcini and truffle mustard macaroni. Add some chicken on it, add some more cheese to it. You could add some ricotta cheese to it. You could do all kinds of fun stuff to it. But truly simple, that fast, that quick, a fun dish from Aldi's Mari-Mann Herbs and the Gooder Cooking Show. Hey, always remember, cooking Gooder brings out the love in your food. Remember, we get to have these fun little videos because of our veterans. And we are free because of the sacrifice our veterans and their families made. So always thank a veteran. And remember, please respect the blue line. Talk to you soon, guys. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye now.